Isn't that high enough? Steph, doesn't this come up?
Yes, it tilts.
But I don't remember how.
Back button. Back button.
Watch your hands.
Those parties all the time.
Who wants
That's better.
cookies and cream?
I think I'll go for that when we get around to it. But first, who out here would like cookies and cream or vanilla?
I like vanilla.
Vanilla.
Vanilla ice cream. I don't like cake.
No cake.
That's what I
No
do.
cake for Brian.
No ice cream? No ice cream?
No, Brian just wants vanilla, no cake.
One cookies and cream and
Angie was a vanilla.
yeah. They have what's There's vanilla right here.
There's a cookies and cream right here.
That's kind of what
And then here comes the vanilla.
we already got vanilla.
Vanilla only.
No ice cream.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Vanilla. You need a fork. You don't have one.
You're gonna have icing up your nose,
Little Brian doesn't have a fork yet.
in your ears.
Brian. All right, Dad wants cookies.
I don't feel.
Deb.
Oh, take that by Claire.
All right, Debbie.
No.
That was a good play.
You want the vanilla or the cookies and cream?
Did you guys get the 3 for $11?
Oh, man.
Oh my! I got it on video. It's okay.
I'm watching. Daddy decided he wants a piece of cake.
Would you do me a favor? Will you get me a napkin for my hands?
Cookies and cream.
Just one.
Okay. There we go.
Thank you.
Cake after all.
Yeah. Okay, what else do I need?
Nate, Katie.
I will get my own. You're good. Get everybody else but me.
Yeah, what do you want? Cookies and cream?
Oh my! I'm recording
Cookies and
it.
cream for Nate.
Oh my goodness.
Had a good choice there.
Willow!
This is what we expected.
Are you the purple people eater?
Was my cake okay?
I think that's good for now. Might be back for more.
Tastes good.
Okay, now take a picture of this one, put it life size on the wall.
I'm recording it. It's about to go on Facebook.
Dawn?
Oh my goodness.
Along with the Domo Cabbage Patch.
The Cabbage Patch.
The non-region has been taken apart.
I have a video of it. It'll never be forgotten.
ID Frankenstein.
Brad was just playing goodbye.
Oh my.
Debbie.
What? I'm good right now. I'm so full. Yeah, I was so hungry earlier. I ate too much, so I'm gonna wait.
Got tired of that darn cat.
Good, isn't it?
Me too.
All right.
Willow!
Is this the purple funfetti? Yes, it's the purple funfetti, I think.
Anything else? Oh my
Debbie's
goodness.
good for now. Katie said she'll get her own.
I'll get my own.
I guess that leaves us 3.
She probably got icing up her nose.
She does?
Yeah.
Yes, she does.
Yeah. This is how she eats cake.
Is it good?
She took the piece of ice cream and went just like that.
I'll be so lucky to enjoy cake.
Everybody gets one of these. All the adults.
It's like, why didn't we just start off with cake?
I know.
It would have been much more fun opening presents.
Kroger.
Yeah, because then that would be in my sugar high.
She's inhaling that ice. She's inhaling it. I can hear it in her nose, like rattling.
Is that good?
Did you hear it?
Yeah.
I know. I gave her a couple little pieces of pizza crust earlier, so she doesn't.
I think the cake is in her lap.
Yes, there it is. Somebody want to...
Oh my Willow darling.
Princess, you dropped something.
Certainly enjoying her birthday, that's for sure.
Oh, that's where it went. That's where it went.
loves her cake.
Huh? Yeah, that's what John said. You guys can't eat ice cream anymore.
Not when she's awake.
Oh, got a little messy, didn't she, Sarah?
Oh, she can't. I can. I can get away with it.
Yeah.
If I have anything on me at all to eat,
I think it's funny that she headbutts.
Or that you say lower, and she'll actually go lower with a bark. And down time, she'll start barking and down to lower. So
Is that good, Willow? Too
she'll be barking full size down
Could have had the penguin's
lower.
head.
I could have had the penguin's head, but I like looking at it.
I like when she headbutts. She gets so John, did you see my post stories?
Did he eat pretty good?
She always hit you in the nose or the
We had a piece of pizza.
With
I didn't get any chips or
Hey,
dip.
don't give out all the cake.
was twirling.
Not.
This is all this lunch.
Katie,
Before you have another piece, honey, we're gonna make sure that everybody else has got the piece. You already had one. Okay?
Is it all gone or is there some in your lap again?
That's probably why it's even better too.
Said, well,
No, there's some in her lap again. Stay back. Okay, cough.
smile. You can, aw.
Willow.
No smile.
No smile.
With your black lips. You smile.
Bailey,
Here, let me get it from
come on now.
Ready? There you go.
There you go. Did I blink?
I
always
can't tell.
blink.
My eyes are really bad, so. Are you gonna smile for me now? Why not? Oh, well, okay, I'll remember that.
We won the challenge.
Remember, we're waiting to see if anybody else comes. You already had your cake.
Go for it. Go for it.
Nobody's talking.
Yeah. Willow. Alright, let's see how black Willow's can get. Maybe I can go on this job.
You should ask her to.
Oh my gosh, there's cake up her nose.
She looks like.
Oh, yeah.
Right up her nose.
What do you think?